Today, we're answering a strategy question. Which statement about crafting a competitively successful strategy in the markets for action cameras and drones is true? We'll build the answer step by step using visuals so the logic is clear and repeatable. First, let's picture the two markets. On the left is the action camera market, and on the right is the drone market. These are related because both are imaging products and both depend heavily on technology, but the customer needs and success factors have differences we must respect. Now, let's list a few key success factors for each market. For action cameras, customers care about ruggedness, image stabilization, battery life, and ease of sharing footage. For drones, customers care about flight time, camera quality, safety features like obstacle avoidance, and the software experience. These needs guide what a winning strategy must deliver. So, what does it mean to craft a competitively successful strategy? A strong strategy balances three ideas: customer value, cost competitiveness, and execution capabilities like branding, distribution, and service. Let's organize that as a simple framework. If a company can deliver higher perceived value in cameras or drones while keeping costs controlled, and then execute well through marketing, distribution, and after-sales support, it creates a strong competitive edge. In other words, value plus cost, discipline plus execution is the core of winning strategy in these technology markets. Let's visually connect the framework to the markets. Now, we can answer the question. The true statement is the one that says, a competitively successful strategy in action cameras and drones must deliver superior customer value at a price customers will pay, while keeping costs competitive and executing strongly through innovation, branding, and distribution. Let's place that on screen as our final answer. Quick recap. We identified key success factors in both markets, then used a three-part strategy framework: value, cost, and execution. That framework leads us to the correct statement about competitive success. If you remember those three parts, you'll be able to answer similar strategy questions with confidence.